Hello and welcome to another Sayduck platform tutorial video. In this video we'll be talking about mesh replacements. Let's begin. So mesh replacements are a feature for the configurators that adds a condition to your variant that replaces a mesh with another one. I can see here, so I can go to the variant information here. I can select the cube mesh that is assigned to the scene, and then I can replace it with, for example, the cone. Now the replaced assets can be in other 3D scenes than your active one, so all of these are assigned here. So basically now after customer selects this option, it will know to replace an asset. You can replace it with another mesh, or you can replace it with nothing to remove that asset from the 3D scene like this. This is in most cases used in complex configurators in which you have like complex logic that you can't use just simple 3D scenes. Let's take a few examples in where you can use this. So first, here is we have a chair and we want to create an armrest no option to this chair. So what we do is go to our no variant, we go to our mesh replacements, we take the armrest and we replace it off. And now you can see the issue is that when you remove it, there are still legs that are for the armrest. So we still have to add armrest leg and no armrest like this. And now the replacement knows how to replace both of these assets. The other situation where you will be using this is when you're creating different size options of your product. So here I have a configurator with a frame, and all of these nodes are assigned to their own 3D scenes like this. And I would like to create a new size option for this. To do that, I'll just create a size configuration, add a new config or variant, size 2, and then I can go to my mesh replacements and replace all of my frame small with frame small large like this, and then go to handle small. You should always, when you have multiple sizes, have a very good naming scheme so that you can add these replacements efficiently. Door and door. Like this. And now I've created a new size option. The meshes that you will be replacing do not have to be found in the 3D scene. They can just be assigned to your assets, and there you can just select them to the mesh replacements. When building a very complex configurator, it's good to start with this structure first, so you will know what replacements you want to add before creating the first variants, because after creating all the mesh replacements, it's a lot easier to create additional sizes, because you can just go to the variant, you can make this size 3, and now you have all the mesh replacements here, and all you have to do is change the frame to frame large, update, and then handle large, update, and then door. And that's it. That is a quick guide on the mesh replacements, and I'll see you in the next one.